Today we are making plantain frittata. Firstly, you fry your sliced ripe plantain. Make sure you pay close attention to it. You know how dramatic plantain can be when you are frying it and you're not giving it full attention. So after doing that, you fry your chopped onions, pepper and tomato in a little oil. You're going to fry this for 3 minutes before you add your chopped vegetables. Make sure you're stirring it while frying it, alright? Stir it properly. It's time to season your vegetables. You go with your curry and then you add maggi and any other seasoning of your choice. After seasoning it, you can actually fry it for extra 1 minute before you switch off your fire. The next thing to do is to crack your eggs inside a bowl. I'm using 3 eggs for this. After you do that, you whisk it properly. The next thing to do is to pour your fried vegetable and tomato inside your whisked egg. Make sure you pour all of them. After doing that, you mix it properly. Once it's properly mixed, you put small oil inside your pan and then you pour in that egg mixture inside. You do that gently and make sure it spreads across the frying pan. Ensure you are doing all these things on a low heat, very low heat, alright? So next thing to do is to start placing your plantain carefully on top of the egg. Make sure you do that till you fill up all the space. Don't forget that you're doing all this thing on a low heat. Alright, so once you're done, you cover your frying pan, allow it to fry and steam at the same time. Once one part is ready, you will now flip it to the other part so that it can also steam and fry. So our plantain frittata is ready. This is so delicious. Oh my god, you guys need to give this a try. So please don't forget to subscribe and share and like my videos. Alright, see you guys next time.